How to add stickers to your photos. If you want to add cool and attractive stickers to your existing or just clicked photos from your gallery, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, what you need to do is open your camera that you have in your device. Once you open your camera, after clicking the photo, if you see sticker option on the left bottom corner, then simply hit on that to add the sticker. But if you don't have this feature, then go through WhatsApp, select a user, hit on the plus button and choose a photo from your gallery, and on the top you will see sticker icon. Hit on that to choose any sticker that you want to add. So in this very easy step, you can easily add cool stickers to your photos. Now later on you can save this photo to your gallery. In this way you can add cool stickers. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.